Welcome to Zetaver. Today, we're going to share with you some basic SEO techniques to help your website rank higher on search engines. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility on search engines like Google. The better your SEO, the higher your site can rank. First, let's talk about keyword research. Identify the words and phrases your audience is searching for market. Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest tools can help you find the right keywords. Next, focus on on-page SEO. Use your keywords strategically in your titles and meta descriptions. Ensure your content is high quality and provides value to your audience. Create quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Use images, videos, and infographics to make your content more appealing. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. A responsive design improves user experience and boosts your SEO ranking. Page speed matters. A fast-loading website improves user experience and search rankings. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to analyze and improve your site's speed. Monitor and analyze. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your SEO performance. Analyze the data to understand what's working and where you can improve. And that's it! By following these basic SEO techniques, contact us today. Visit our website, zetaver.com, and email us info@zetaver.com.